Hello, and welcome to this FortiWeb's video on biometric-based bot detection. In this video, we'll focus on FortiWeb's biometrics-based bot detection. It analyzes client-side interactions, such as clicking behavior, page focus, mouse movements, keyboard inputs, screen touches, and scrolling behavior. In this example, a bot is programmed to navigate an e-commerce website to scrape data or perform automated purchases. Unlike a human, who would naturally move the mouse in a slightly erratic or curved path, the bot might move the mouse in perfectly straight lines or with unnaturally consistent precision. Additionally, the bot might click on elements with exact timing, for example, every 1.5 seconds, or scroll through pages at a constant speed without any pauses or variations. You can configure FortiWeb to detect movements that are too precise, repetitive, or lack the natural variability of human interaction. It would flag the session as potentially bot-driven. This allows the system to block or challenge the bot while allowing legitimate human users to continue their activities uninterrupted. To sum it up, FortiWeb's biometrics-based bot detection analyzes real user behavior, like mouse movement and scrolling, to accurately spot advanced bots that bypass basic checks, offering stronger, more precise protection. Thank you for watching.